This is a Liliput model made when Bachmann took over the company and started making these items in China. I believe this was never produced before Bachmann was in charge of the company. I might be wrong, let me know in the comments below. This one is number L230921 and it's obviously a Snowplough from the Deutsche Bahn in Era 3 livery. Something a bit different, so let's get this out the box and we'll have a look. Well, first things first, it's obviously caked in dust, so I'm going to give it a quick brush to try and get the dust off it. Don't know why, it must have been sitting on a shelf for ages. So give me 2 seconds and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Well, that's a bit better, and as I was doing it I realised that these items, which are kind of just metal weights inside the model, actually aren't fixed into it, so they just fell out. They've got little hoops on them, although this one here has actually got one of them broken, which is a shame. But the hoops are pretty good, they make it look very realistic. Without them you can see inside the bottom of this model and there's a big moulding mark there. Still a bit of dust as well. It was quite an effort to get this clean. And I noticed as well that this part on the front actually comes off quite easily. It does look as though at some point it was glued on, but it just comes away from the rest of it. And you can see underneath here there's a hole for a coupling just like there is at the back of this. So this is obviously a moulding which has been used for something else. These snowploughs were made from old tenders in real life, and I think Bachmann Liliput have done exactly that with this model. I guess this must just have broken off at some point in the past. This is a second-hand model obviously, and it's almost like it should have another piece on there. I'm just going to check the internet to find out whether it does or not. Okay, so apparently it should have a bit of a kind of lighting rig or something in here, which this one obviously doesn't, and I didn't notice that when I was buying it, so that's a bit of a shame. So I'll continue the review, but bear in mind it should have like a 3 light arrangement up here. So not that long ago I did another review where I had a look at one of Liliput's models, and it was very similar to this in that it was a tub style tender and it was made into, I think, a water tank, or maybe it was a fuel tank, and it came in a twin pack. And it was obviously an easy way of reusing the mould from a steam locomotive's tender and making another wagon out of it. And I think that's what's happened here with Bachmann. Probably a cheap kind of way of doing it. And without any weights in and with this flimsy snowplough at the front, this is actually quite a flimsy kind of cheap feeling model. It does have sprung buffers at the back, and we do have some lights here too, which are not illuminated obviously, but they're added extra plastic pieces put in. The printing is really good on the side of it, but there isn't an awful lot of it, and it's quite unusual with this snowplough at the front. I do like these weights though, the fact that they've actually made them into something that looks like they would be actually inside this model. And the model does have a thing like this tank added on here, which is an extra piece. The bogies are pretty well defined, but the brakes aren't in line with the wheels, and the wheels are pretty good, but they don't revolve super well. Obviously they're screwed into the bottom there on the bogies, and we've got an M pocket in a cantilever coupling hanging out the back, rather crudely I think. So overall I don't think this is Liliput's best model ever. It's very typical of kind of Chinese made stuff, which is, I don't know, maybe just a bit kind of cheap feeling. I mean, sometimes it works, it's got an acceptable level of detail and the printing's really good, the finish of the black is good as well, but it just feels a bit cheapy. So let me put this on the scales and we'll see how much it weighs. So this model, bearing in mind a piece is missing, comes in at 72 grams. So Bachmann's DB Era 3 snowplough, based on, I guess, a chassis of a tender, is, I don't know, maybe just not their best outing. It is quite unusual, and you know, you got to bear in mind I'm missing a piece on this one, but there's a lot I don't like about it. It feels cheap in your hands, don't like how the weights just fall out of it, and it just has that kind of budget feel to it overall. Sure, the wheels are really good and it's got like an M coupling at the back, and it is something a bit different and unusual, but I don't think I would go out of my way to buy this model even if it did have the right lights on it. When I got it, I didn't actually know it was missing a piece, and you know, that's the gamble you take sometimes if you're buying second-hand remotely. On the second-hand market, this one I've seen prices from anywhere between about £16 up to about £30, which I think is too much for this wagon. £15 sounds about right for it, I think. But this one obviously is missing a part, so it's going to be a lot cheaper. I'm going to have to put this back on eBay. So I don't particularly recommend this model or any of the other kind of tender wagons that Liliput have done. There's yet to be one that impresses me. But you know, some of the Liliput Bachmann model wagons are actually really good, so it's not all doom and gloom. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe for more videos like this. But that's it for this one. I'll put it on the turntable so you can see all the way around, and I'll see you on my next video.
So model train, model world, choo choo, model train, tiny a tiny world, choo choo, model model trains, tiny train, and tiny worlds. Choo choo.